Hello, in this video we'll show you how to post on Snapchat Spotlight. Now it's an extremely easy process. So what you have to do is open your Snapchat, just simply go to your camera section and you can take any pictures and you will notice that there is no option for Spotlight. So let me show you how to actually upload something on Spotlight. What you have to do is click on the Spotlight option or the play option which is at the very bottom right hand side corner. Now over here you will find a small plus option at the very top right hand side corner. Click on that. Now, the moment you will do this, you will have the option of create, meaning you can directly shoot a video and upload it on Spotlight. Or you can just simply choose a video from your camera roll or your gallery. So just simply choose whatever you want. Let's say, for example, you want to create instantly. So click on create. Now just simply record a video. So just simply hold on to the screen and it will start recording. And then once you will remove the hand, the video will be done. Now, just simply choose the clip. Click on edit the clip if you want to, and then just simply click on preview. And then if it's all good, just simply click on send to and click on OK. Now hit OK. And over here you will notice the option called Spotlight. Just simply click on that option. You can also add to your story if you want to. And then if you want, you can add the description. And now all you have to do is click on the send option and you're done. So that's it. And if this video is helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.